Let's have a look at the user interface. Excel is a spreadsheet program, a table calculation program, and yes, you directly see the table with lots of cells which you can click on. Each cell is specified by its column and its row. So you have, for example, cell C9, and the C9 is displayed in the so-called name box. Columns are specified by letter, so you can see ABC and it continues to AA, AB, AC. Rows are specified by number 1, 2, 3 up to the thousands. Besides the name box, you do have the formula bar. So what you have here, if you click on a cell, you see the content. And for the moment, it's important that you see the real content which is stored in Excel, which is 1243. Whereas in the cell, you see a formatted content. In here, you see the euro sign and the thousand separator, a dot. We have in Excel, in the Mac, two menu bars. We do have the app menu. You can see here, file, edit, view. All of those have, of course, different menus down under. And we do have the tab, the ribbon tabs like home, insert, data, formulas, and so on. And in the other screencasts or on the other slides, you always have to be careful which menu I'm talking about. Is it this insert or is it that insert? Within these menu bars, you see lots of functions, sometimes grouped, like for example, you could say here we are in tab insert, group charts, and I would like, for example, to open up a function menu, recommended charts.